Okay guys, so day 2, it's called Svatisthana, if you can get your chops around that one. So that basically is the Sanskrit terminology for the second energy centre or harmonic focal point, which is found just below your belly button, and it's just kind of around this area here. So I'm just going to give you some basic info regarding the second energy centre, which is either called navel or sacral, yeah? So it has 6 vortices. The corresponding sound is vam, the colour is orange, the sense is taste, and the corresponding energy field is the emotional field. So that is of the human energy fields that we talked about yesterday. So we've got a little bit of extra esoteric information regarding the navel centre, or the navel chakra, which is the above. It's actually known as the seat of the subconscious mind. The 6 vortices, each vortice actually, we didn't talk about this yesterday, it's like the cone is made up of many cones, okay? So the 6 cones of this one is made up of a different attribute. So we don't really go into the attributes for this class, but just real briefly, the 6 attributes or the 6 vortices, or they are known as like the lower qualities that we need to overcome, right? And a couple of these are anger, hatred, jealousy, cruelty, and pride. And these must be purified. Oh, that rhymed. And it corresponds to the element of water. Okay, so that's a little bit of extra info. It also is related to things like our instinct, our sexual energy, and also our creativity. So if your creativity is blocked down here, it's very possible that you might be blocked up here, because the 6th one is where we express that creativity, right? So if we're blocked down here, it can affect number 5, or perhaps if we're blocked on number 5, the cause could be number 2, if that makes any sense, yeah? So that's a bit of extra info about the energy centre, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning how to clear negative energy from spaces. We're also going to take our first preliminary look at how to clear nasty energies, yeah? So when it comes to things like entities or, you know, energy imprints, so it's just like first level. When we layer up the information later on in the course of the week, we're going to learn how to do it with a bit more gusto, let's say, yeah? We're going to learn today how to use vibrational frequencies of sound, all the different sounds that they are, and how and where do we apply those. Vibrational frequencies of colour, so we're learning all about colour today, so you can do colour healing and colour transformation. And also the difference between the colours of the energy centres, the colours of the energy fields, frog in the throat, and also how we use colour to heal, and that is all quite different. So for example, if we have the base, which is corresponding by red, it doesn't mean necessarily that you use red to heal it. Okay, it could be a completely different colour, yeah? So learning how to use colour and sound, and believe it or not, by the end of this day, you are going to know how to put together a full template of a session. Yeah, for real. I know it sounds a bit unbelievable, but you will. You'll be able to do that by the end of today. We're also going to look at things like body language, which is a really, really nice workshop, actually. I really enjoy that one. And also archetypes, a little bit about archetypes, and if it goes in too deep, we'll roll it over until tomorrow. And then finally, we're going to explore creation and its purpose. Where did I come from? Where am I going to? How did I get here? What is it all about? Level 1. Because there are like a million explanations about what I've just said. So this is like the level 1 template of, you know, what that is. And it's very important to know, because if you have people coming to you, that may be a question that some of your clients or some of the people that you help will end up asking you. So it's no good if you're like, oh, well, you know what, I don't really know. Not good enough, okay? So that's what we're going to look at that today. And that, guys, is our introduction for day 2. Thanks very much. Don't forget to follow, to share, to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've got Instagram, Facebook, what have I left out? YouTube, anything else? Twitter. Helen Makes Miracles. See you tomorrow. Thanks very much.